This is Nothing Phone 2A unboxing and initial impressions review. This is the most hyped mobile in recent days and I purchased this mobile to see how it performs in real day conditions. The box looks so sleek and slim and I really like the overall box package. You can see how slim it is. For me it's looking like a geometry box. So opening up the box, inside we're having another box. The texture is really cool on this box. It's completely white. After opening this box, you can see nothing welcome. Next, we're having mobile. Below that, one Type C to Type C nothing cable, one paper, I mean the instruction manual and guide. Below that, we're having the transparent nothing SIM ejector tool. Right after opening the cover on the mobile, I observed that there is a screen protector is given out of the box. Such a cool thing they added here. The back of Nothing Phone 2A is totally made up of with glass and it's too slippery in my hand. This mobile is supported for dual SIMs and there is no micro SD card support is there. Cases are not available right now because this is the first model they released it like this, so it takes some time in your locality to get the cases for this mobile. After inserting the SIM tray back to the mobile, I started setting up this mobile, but later I found this. It is showing insert a valid Indian SIM card. That means you need to insert a SIM card that is there in India to use this mobile. After using it for some time, you can change the SIM card if needed. I mean, you can use apart from Indian SIM card. These for a security purpose reason, I seen this feature previously in Samsung and Motorola mobiles. After that, there is no barrier and I quickly done the setup of this mobile. This is the animation of Nothing OS whenever you format and turn on the mobile. It's cool. Then it will ask choose your visual style, whether you want nothing or default Android. Of course, we want nothing because this is nothing mobile, right? So this is how the home screen looks like. Come to the weight of this mobile, this one weighs around 190 grams. I only added the SIM card to it, no case or no temper glass. The overall symmetry and handling experience of this mobile is pretty good for me. Even the bloatware is not too much. It's looking like pure Android with added a nothing touch to it. Now quickly take some snaps through this camera, but don't worry guys, I'm going to post a dedicated gaming review as well as camera, battery, charging. Oh, there are a lot of videos are coming related to Nothing Phone 2A. If you don't want to miss that, just click that subscribe button so you never miss any updates from this channel. Also, you can record 4K videos in this mobile. This is a cool thing. Later, I went to display settings to check whether the refresh rate is higher or lower. There, I found one more setting. It's HDR display. This is the first time I'm seeing this option in Android. After that, I clicked the display refresh rate. I changed it to maximum, I mean the high 120 Hz. Now, coming to the glyph interface, I mean the glyph torch or glyph, whatever you call, this one is having three lights on the back side. Also, you will get a dedicated flashlight too. If you want strong light, I recommend to use the normal flashlight. If in case you want soft, then you use the glyph lighting. Here is some demonstration for you so that you understand better how the torch and the glyph looks like. If you observe the icon colors, these are black and white. It's so good and there is no distraction to use this because whenever you open the mobile, you go directly to the app which one you wanted. If in case used in normal Android phone, you get a lot of distractions due to the color contrast. Coming to the free storage, I ordered 128 GB model. Out of 128 GB, 16 GB is already used. I didn't updated this mobile or added any new applications. So that's the unboxing and initial impressions of Nothing Phone 2A. I'm planning so many videos related to this mobile. If in case you are having any recommendations or any doubts regarding this mobile, feel free to comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting. See you again in the next video. This is Rajshekhar from Tech Bunny signing off.